Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Semput Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Preston Tensong ne kesengi kan riu tarik unai wing arah jar arpo habai keren bet kinong to kubor hakam rat rekam jungu plai tu bagi pajba nong sang senong ki bamdei ki riulung ne ki non tribal hakajela ki imsup imsan shu wala kenduru ya barok ki bru ki ban bar Kajela ban kian na ba pensapriang ya ki kubor lamler ula ban rab da ka baong kesorkar ka don ban pej habaya dei bat kesukasan apo Kajela Kesorkar jela kala dep keren ru bat kesorkar jong ke jela West Bengal habai dei berkejing persya jong ki Bengali apo ke jela West Bengal lakan turu bakim dei ban susngap iki kubor ka kling ke tengap rei ki dei ban chania ya kesorkar
ki masong sabar kabangut ki nong som sno ki perlok non tribal jongi ki badon sabar jong ke jela mekna sel bahang wat I ding ya kan. Don't add fire, because if you talk about the issue of Islamity, government is there to handle the situation and to take care that the citizens of the state of Meghalaya, be it non-tribal, be it tribal, the responsibility of the government is to make sure that both tribal and non-tribal are safe. And we stay safe, not only safe, we walk and we grow together in the state of it.
Nakaliang Deputy Commissioner, ano niya
Ongi hadu matangin patyo. Let us see, maybe few days nang nila patyo. Then the government kasale. Be the Home Minister of West Bengal, CM has already taken out decision. But my humble request to those stakeholders who creating more confusion as far as the issue of Islamity is concerned, kindly refrain from doing that. And please understand one thing. Government elected by the people is there in place. The solution is not in Calcutta. The solution is in Meghalaya. If need be, the door is open. Come over to Shillong. Let us sit across the table. We discuss what are the issues. But don't make an issue outside the boundary. Because I think that is not, you don't get a correct message or you don't get a correct picture at all. As I said to you from day one, that unwanted incident has happened in Islamity from day one. We are sure, be it tribal, be it not tribal, government is there, will make sure that law and order is under control and it should be as normal as it was before. Ya kan ngila sim kira. Kumapi dan now with the appropriate authority, we have already taken up. We have already discussed about this. But ngila terpak dulu ya ka government napo West Bengal makin take care. Kenapa kanundon ka jing ya kelas le kan ke jing ya show ke jing ya dak ya leng baju kini ke mami kini isu nomor ku mau the fact remains ba ngam tip balai le pelong ya kata jing ya lang rally le ni kan ni katai hang the apo kmat jong kami kelau ka banga i kamdon ke solution den rei ke solution kam kumbang ong ipi kim dai ban slap han ya ki social media ki bisu benik na ka kleng na ka tengah nomor pala iu hakijing long riu teng kumdong Nri an piwan hang ne pidwa ki jisya kam ne ki jisya tenar na nga somonong kide ban chania e government we are there but and we are responsible also if anything goes wrong and then government of West Bengal is responsible in case if anything goes wrong over there so therefore nangamut ban ong bangada kerpat dagama kia ya kitu ki perlok di bapen kunsyul ban mi kenika penjalo no problem la di ban mi ke jing bom ya dei pedeng artri di government be it Meghalaya or be it ka West Bengal tiga bang kapar kelom skoba refrain nya kini ke ngamar ko mau pikan ni ke issue lat fi ong ha Bengal na hakal kata na piola Meghalaya it used to happen ke jing ya show edat kan me tenre to pinuan na hado kan na issue banwara asa the whole West Bengal the whole Calcutta I think that is wrong. Tenang mas mo banong bang na appeal Begitu kita instigate, please stop and refrain from it. Kenapa ngopi ngilak ben don kejing stu jenggut ko biang, but lu lada pisang berbamba ke government cafe. Hakaba contain, lada hakaba maintain yang kan law that is different issue. Dengan ngopi from day one, nadu bajia untuk haduk mentah ngopi nginang government lu ngisim kia. But kan don kejing kundu nakapor sa kapor, but ni IT fully apa kan district administration bahkan take care kenang baki ke tinuran kijing-jian Indonesia. Ngama om ni, let me again reiterate. Now, those people, those vested interests, please refrain from creating a confusion. Nomor ba, haduk mentar ngompi tribal berkinan tribal kia suk ya sai. Piong Islong, piong sitai sila, piong sagaru, piong keleng-kelengi, piong sa janti, piong semoy. Non ganung orang ya suk ya sai. Balai kia pemik hala ikan ni benda. Balai kami ku. Dengan atau ben ong bangar tak kerpat, bas ngau pa ladaki kwa, bahkan don keji terlang, kabajang. Piong batu tribal, piong non tribal, piong mana pun. Kita don napok bekala ini, ngangat semua ong ba. Idai kaban yate ndai ban ong ban ya pen syut ban penhuri hura le de ban temik pen ban kini kicing bam ya sotu jubot hapu majala bekala jeng. Yes, it seems so, but we are still going deep to that, okay, and the government is not sleeping, so we are following it up. That's what I'm saying. Please don't add fuel, and anybody who does that, who continue to do that, will put them to ban. Be it from Calcutta, be it from Meghalaya, be it from anywhere. Law has to prevail. Law has to prevail. Stop. I'm telling you, I won't. Stop. If you don't, then you get it. Ngila dekot, ke ngila ekren, ya kibat day banyo, kide banyo, ya ke renewal, ni ka fresh, naman katur kadon ka proses lah kajo. Kabanado ka borsnong bortao ki haban niya involved agata ka recommendation. Di kata attractive bahaya ke proses itu. De nrei lesing yo kalaban slam ka renewal na maranjia no ka pandemic. Ya kata orang mamlak mano tamba the best people ubala kanya tu ikir mo hagi consensus council. Den rei nakal yang jungi government lu nilai keren nila ai ke jinggut balako ngono pek ya ke badai banle dai banle kat kungka lenti juga ai kenang baku mau pingin nembu jing ya no nomor ku mau ong pimen akan yang keren deh don kinon tribal kiba omno kibala alung kila alung try kibala syong ya sah ne megala kiba dia pan im wang ne megala lada piu ang bamentang nginem ai syu ibu tering lesen nginem renew ngatrai kam long justify ya kiba kum kita nga sumbonong bangin we are bound to be in ai nomor balai ki la dei lepai ki non megala jongi ki im biasa ki try business ki ba kum pi ke bangin ya im lang han ni apa kejelam megala dia kata ngakak bersyukur syai susu bang niat try rengkar ban ngila de keren lu ya body council barok balaku nukuno ndai ban yaj bakla naka eka ai kabala thok hapo kasik sido